I wasted years trying to be perfect, silent, and strong for everyone but myself. If I could sit down with the woman I was at 30, I'd tell her these 7 things. Maybe they'll save you years too. I wasted too many years thinking I had more time, that I had more time to fix it, more time to try. But the truth? Time doesn't owe you anything. Spend it wisely with people who value you, on dreams that stretch you, in moments that fill you. Don't delay joy any longer. I've had people leave me when I needed them the most. At first, I was confused. I tried to negotiate with the universe. I begged, even, and cried. Now, I bless their journey. Not everyone is meant to go the full ride with you, sis. Some are just pit stops. Let them go, love, so that you can grow, heal, and thrive. I lived too long waiting to be picked, praised, or permitted. But freedom came when I decided to validate myself. Your dreams don't need a permission slip. You are enough now. Do the scary thing. That thing that you keep pushing off is probably the very thing that will change your life forever, sis. Everything that I'm proud of started with me shaking. Feel the fear, but do it anyway. Heal. Don't carry what broke you. I spent years carrying pain like a badge of honor. But healing isn't weakness, it's power. Stop trying to be strong for everyone. Be whole for you, love.
Trust your voice.
I started over more than once in my life. I started over after loss, after love, after everything fell apart. But here's what I know now. You can start at 30. You can start at 40. You can start at 50 or 70. Your story isn't over unless you stop writing it. The happiest moments weren't the ones I posted. They were the quiet ones. They were a long walk early in the morning, an unexpected hug from my daughter, the sound of rain early in the morning. Don't wait for big milestones to be happy. Joy truly lives in the simple.